कुछ पल जो बिताए साथ में याद आएंगे हमें फिर बाद में। मुस्कुराए किसी पे या कभी आंसू बह जाए, रंग छाए इन्हीं से सुरों के लम्हे गुनगुनाए। यादों का ये सागर बह चला, अनजाना हम सफर है मिल गया। हंसते हंसते इस सफर में बन गए तुम मेरी दुनिया। मेरी दुनिया, मेरी दुनिया। ये दिन तो आना ही था, मुझे तो यूं जाना ही था। पर जाते मुस्कुराते कहना था फिर तुमसे, ये पल जो बिताए साथ में याद आएंगे हमें फिर बाद में। मुस्कुराएंगे जिन पे तुम्हारी यादें वो दिलाए, रंग छाए जिनसे सुरों के लम्हे गुनगुनाए। यादों का ये सागर बह चला, अनजाना हम सफर है मिल गया। हंसते हंसते इस सफर में बन गए तुम मेरी दुनिया। मेरी दुनिया, मेरी दुनिया।
Hi everybody out there, this is Mabel Philip here. Today I'm going to share with you my journey so far here in FMS IRM. It has been amazing and wonderfully beautiful. When I started off with my journey here, I never knew it would be so huge. I would be able to make this so huge. I mean, getting a placement in State Bank of India with a package of 9 lakhs. I never ever dreamt of this even in my dreams. I'm so happy that I could make my parents proud and the college proud and my teachers proud. I take this opportunity very specially to thank Sally sir and all our teachers. I'm going to miss your classroom teachings. I'm going to miss Tarjini ma'am, my mentor, Jessie ma'am and Ullas sir. R.C. Mathur sir, you have been a fatherly figure. Thank you so much sir. And Gaurav sir, thank you all for helping me what I am today. Thank you.
But in the span of 2 years, FMS IRM has imbibed those qualities in me which will help me in my future endeavors. I am very thankful to FMS IRM because of my overall personality development which it has given to me, be it in terms of communication skills, be in terms of knowledge, everything and all around development which I would have expected from an MBA college. I got in FMS IRM. So I am very much thankful to FMS IRM and all the faculties, my seniors and to my juniors also. And I would like to wish all the best to all my juniors and wish them a great career ahead. Keep working hard and enjoy the food.
I met all my good buddies who are still my best friends, and if I talk about the faculties of FMS IRM, they just molded us to be a successful person and moreover that to be a good human being. Okay, if I talk about the happiest moment of FMS IRM was when Seli sir awarded me in the debate competition, and the embarrassing moment was when he said, "You idiot, get out." And if I talk about Seli sir, he is a person who's been very different when he's playing the role of a director, and when he was being in the class, we as students of BM got this opportunity to have his class, and I would say, sir, you are just fabulous because the way you taught us, you made us realize go into the deep fact of retail. And after Seli sir, if I would say thank you to sir for bringing Ullas sir in our campus, and the 1 week of Ullas sir with the experiment of Nano was a great experience for all of us. Well, it's not just these two, the other faculties are also very, they are very, very, very good. A thank you word just cannot be said to express my gratitude towards them.
Say a thank you for all our juniors to give me a responsibility, a wonderful responsibility to stay to my college, that is FMS IRM, and from this college I am a future manager, because when I have done my BCom, I was nothing at my soul. But now I am a manager of a wonderful company, so that FMS IRM gave us a very good responsibility and very good authority to showcase my talent and brief my skills. Thank you.
None of us ever expected was given to us by FMS IRM. Like, our dream placements have come true. We too have already, were from starting waiting for getting placed in an FMCG industry, and our dreams have come true. Like, my friend is in ITC and I am in food. So both of us are doing well, and all credit goes to FMS IRM.
And special thanks to Seli sir, who has given us an opportunity to work in the dream company. And I would like to share an incident. Let's go back to the Freshers Day. I was one of the candidates of Mr. Fresher. When I got a chance to speak, I was like blank. Nothing is coming out of my mouth. So this college has given me opportunity to speak and bring best out of me and remove the stage phobia which I had earlier. And the brothers for friend for life.
Yes. Ultimately, what I want to say is that FMS IRM has given us a great opportunity. A special thanks to Seli sir and all the staff members who have always been there and guided us throughout our lifetime. And their blessings, we want their blessings to be with us throughout our lifetime, so that we can achieve well and a great success in our further careers.
And special thanks to our juniors who given us an opportunity to share our moments with all of us.
Such a short duration of time which you have allotted for me to talk about. Well, to begin with, the entire 2 years of FMS IRM journey has been very wonderful. I had some amazing moments here. Starting from the day I entered, I can see the transformation in.
If you ask me to summarize my experience in these last 2 years in this college, I cannot summarize it at all. So much of learning, so much of experience I am taking out from here in my heart, which will be with me forever. Learnings from my all teachers, Jessie ma'am, Neha ma'am, Tajni ma'am, Gaurav sir, Mathur sir, Ullas sir, Asha ma'am. I will never ever forget any of these things which they have taught me. Well, if you'll ask me about Seli sir, there is so many things which I have learned from Seli sir, especially how to be in discipline and how to keep the discipline. I'll always make sure to imply all things which I have learned from all these people in my life. And what to say about juniors, they are just very lovely people out there. I would love to give all my wishes with few lines. That नाम तो सभी का होता है, अपना नाम बनाना। हवाओं में तो सब पतंग उड़ाते हैं, तुम तूफानों में पेश लड़ाना, तुम तूफानों में पेश लड़ाना। Best wishes from my side to all my friends.
I'd like to thank FMS IRM to prove myself in a corporate world, and also like to thank the faculties for giving an insight of what agriculture is, because we belong to the ABM section. And definitely I will take FMS IRM as a furnace with a full heat of knowledge and expertise, and you come here as a stone, and when you come out of the furnace you are a fine diamond, and definitely you're a diamond in the corporate world. One more thing I like to add, that faculties always help us to guide through their knowledge, and and here I've made really good friends on my batch, and we are having an environment of a very friendly nature with the faculty, with the director service. Danny sir too is always here to help the student, listen to them. And one more thing I like to add away for this campus is, when you go out of this campus, when you enter the corporate world, you are a polished stone. Your knowledge is enhanced, your skills are enhanced. We have developed our skills, our communication skills, our knowledge in this campus, and we owe to every single person in this campus for our success in the corporate world.
Hi, first of all, I would like to thanks to juniors for giving us the opportunities to say about our experience which I gained in FMS IRM. So first of all, I would like to say FMS IRM, for as my point of view, in Rajasthan is a wonderful college I have ever seen. And the second thing is that a good placement, as I you know that I have a place in Mahindra Finance. It is a very good brand. And third thing is that I can never forget the moment I have stayed here and moment I have lived here. Thank you so much.
हो गया टाइम क्या जाने का। हाय, नाइस इनिशिएटिव। जब तुम मुझसे कह रहे हो कि यहाँ के मैंने क्या गेन किया, द थिंग जब मैं इस कॉलेज में पहली बार आया था ना, तब मैं एक था, सिंगल। अब 2 साल बाद जब जा रहा हूँ ना, तो वी आर सुपर 11 एक्चुअली, सुपर 11। आई नो किसके लिए बोल रहा हूँ। क्लासेस आरएम हमेशा याद रहेगी। हम कितना भी लड़ लें, हम कितना भी कर लें, पर बाहर जब किसी फंक्शन को ऑर्गेनाइज करना होता है ना, नो डाउट इस तरह से काम करते हैं ना, जैसे कि उसमें हम अपनी जान लगा लेते हैं। टीचर्स के लिए तो बोलना बनता है। एक नाइस इंसिडेंट शेयर करूँगा। मैं जब शुरू में कॉलेज में आया था, तो मैंने अपने सीनियर से पूछा, सर माथुर सर के अंडर में मैं हूँ, तो सर मुझे उनसे कैसे गाइड लेना चाहिए। मुझे ऐसे ऊपर से नीचे देखते हैं। तुझे पता है, जितनी तेरी एज है ना, उससे डबल सर का एक्सपीरियंस है, वो तुझे खुद ही ट्रेन कर देंगे। तो वही सब चेंज हो गया। मुझे पता चल गया कि आरएम में अगर कुछ सीखना है, देन माथुर सर इज द बेस्ट फैकल्टी। तर्जनी मैम, तो मार्केटिंग स्किल शी वाज वंडरफुल। उनका समझाना, हर चीज़ को बिल्कुल लो लेवल पे लाके जो हमें समझ में आती है, बिल्कुल किसी भी चीज़ से कनेक्ट कर देना, दैट इज़ अ वेरी वंडरफुल पार्ट एक्चुअली। विद द एक्सपोजर विच कॉलेज हैज़ गिवन टू मी, मैं अपने इस कॉलेज लाइफ के अंदर 2 to 3 times आई हैव विजिटेड सो मेनी रिसर्च प्रोसेसेस। तो मैं जूनियर्स को देखिए एडवाइस है, बी कनेक्टेड विद योर टीचर्स, बी कनेक्टेड विद योर सीनियर्स, दैट विल बी द बेस्ट एक्सपोजर फॉर यू।